Hi everybody, Trisha here from the Virtual Foundry. Now you know FFF Metal. That's metal 3D printing on your regular FFF 3D printer, your Creality, your Raise 3D, your G-Max Pro, and a ton of other brands. And the Virtual Foundry provides a bunch of free resources to help you get started with it. The Learn tab on the TVF website, the Virtual Foundry YouTube channel, and the Virtual Foundry Discord server where partner innovators like you ask questions and share results. But sometimes you want more. You want the inside scoop. You want to learn all the nuances of the process. You don't want to read a website. You want to talk to the people who made FFF Metal. Well, hey, we got you with the Metal 3D printing course. Now, this course is a deep dive into every aspect of FFF Metal, from upfront design to part finishing and emerging innovations. With 7 sessions over 14 weeks, you'll have time to do hands-on work and make your own 3D printed metal part that's perfect for your specific application. As a course participant, you'll get personal instruction from the people who invented FFF Metal 3D printing filament. A deep dive into each step of the FFF Metal process. A look at emerging technologies. Free support between sessions. Automatic membership into the alumni group with perks and benefits that continue into the future. And a completion certificate to hang on your wall. And we'll send you all the stuff you'll need to work hands-on with Filamet and complete the whole metal 3D printing process. Now, to get the most out of the course, you should already have an FFF 3D printer and be able to 3D print plastic. And you should know how to work your slicer program. And having a kiln would be very helpful, but if you don't, sintering services will be provided. Now let's talk about course pricing. Now today, as of the recording of this video and through July 23rd, the price of the course is $1,750. From July 24th to August 7th, that changes to $1,950. And then from August 8th through the course registration deadline of August 22nd, that final price is $2,150. Now some of the fine print: there won't be any tuition refunds after the start of the first course session. All sessions are held via Zoom, and they'll all be recorded and may be used in future publications, but we'll talk to you about it first. Class size is limited to 10 participants. The course starts August 29th and concludes on December 5th, so sign up today. You'll find a registration link in the description of this video. Let's get you printing. I'll see you there.